I'm at Jeff and Larkin now. I'm going 23.
That is totally ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous. It's not ridiculous.
Yeah.
This is going to keep getting worse the more shit you keep pulling. Do you have anything illegal out there this time? No? Where's your ID and everything?
It's in my wallet.
Where's your wallet? Just tell me. You don't need to reach for it. Can you do me a favor?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your ID? Is it in here?
It's in there.
Tell me where.
It's one of those IDs.
I need you to run.
Keep your hands on the car.
Yeah. And I want to see if he just violated an OP. We're also going to have to probably do a CR for it, okay?
Yep.
So, can you run in the leads and look up the OP?
You got it.
What a fucking asshole.
License status valid. NCIC person clear.
Order to stay at least 1,000 feet away from petitioner and petitioner's residence, school, daycare, employment, or any other specified place. That respondent being prohibited from entering or remaining at the place of residence, employment, school, daycare, or other places specified by the court when petitioner is present.
So just being 1,000 feet from that house, right?
Correct.
He's violating it?
And petitioner... Yeah.
We're going to hook him up.
Okay.
Take it.
95.
What's going on?
You're under arrest.
For what, bro?
Violating the order of protection. You cannot be within 1,000 feet of that house. You were served the order. Now you're going to go to jail. And we're going to tow your car.
That is ridiculous.
It is not ridiculous. You did
Because
it.
I drove past the house?
Yes. And you know you're not supposed to be within 1,000 feet of the house.
I was on Jefferson
So you're going
Street, not
to
in
jail.
front of their house.
1,000 feet from the house. All the way around it. Not right in front.
On Jefferson Street, a main roadway?
Yep.
That's ridiculous.
You guys want to do? You want to do transport? You want to do tow form? Okay.
And then we'll probably
Do you have anything on you that's going to
No.
hopefully stick me or
No.
anything?
Go ahead. Central 20. I have one in custody violating OP.
You got nothing in your pockets?
No.
Need to go anywhere else?
No.
Is there inside pockets too? No?
Not really.
All right.
paper or something. I don't know. This is ridiculous. You can't even drive down Jefferson Street.
Okay, so were you recently arrested?
Yeah, I was given an order of protection, but I'm going down Jefferson Street.
Were you found with anything else on you, like drugs?
They found some in my car when I had a broken window.
Do you have any drugs on
No,
you?
no. No, I asked them to take me to the hospital and have me tested.
Just want to make
Are you
sure
like-
that you don't have any drugs on you, that's all.
Well, that guy's trying to be a smart ass.
You're just trying to enforce the law, that's all.
I'm not trying to enforce anything.
So far it's just this. Want me to put in my pocket?
Do you have a phone in the car or anything?
Yeah.
Or where's
You
your
want to
phone?
keep it?
Yeah, I'll have you bring it over to my car. All right, sir. I'm gonna have you walk with me, okay? Right up to the front, the car with the flashing lights. I'm gonna have you stand up front. I know she searched you already. I just don't put anybody in my car unless I search them personally, okay? Nothing personal, just how I operate. Stand in front of my car right here, facing the car. Thank you. Watch your phone. Watch your phone.
Watch it. Wait. Water bottle. Yeah. Water bottle.
You spread your feet for me? Thank you.
What's his name? I gotta have his name so I do my next live feed on him correctly. You.
Okay?
All right, that's fine. You don't have to a million times. Well, good. That's who I want to know who I'm talking about.
All right, sir. Right this way to my passenger side. You got it? Right now, seat. Oh, hold on. No, I haven't this one.
Alright, back up.
That's a lot of random stuff you got back here.
Donations.
Oh.
I was just in the process of it. All right, go ahead and have a seat for him. Trying to go over to what's that? Salvation Army. Yeah. That was for the animal control.
You know, like backseat is too. So.
Yeah, right. Here's a lot more important stuff, though.
All right, well, that's good work.
Absolutely.
You down there.
Okay. Did you put his stuff back in his pocket, or do you got it?
It's right there.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks.
Is that okay?
Yep, that works. Too hot back there for you? Okay. Want the window cracked or you good? You can put this quarter back in your wallet. Right by your cards and stuff. As well as your phone's gonna go down here and your pen.
Is there a bail or something on this?
Violating an order of protection, there is no bail.
Or you just go down and get released?
No, you go down and you have to go to the county jail. Central 20.
You have to go down.
Be around 1 mile 95 to Central. You'll have to go to the Will County Adult Detention Facility, and then you'll have to go before a judge.
I have court tomorrow. So that's why he did that.
Who?
That
Okay. I've never personally worked with that cop, nor do I know anything about what's going on. I just, he told me what his charges are, and I'm just helping him out, so.
Well, this is just ridiculous.
I got a process to get through. Once I get down to the Joliet Police Department, I'll have to go through the booking process, okay? Once I get through that booking process, I'll let you get a couple phone calls if you need to call some people, get some business in order, all right? And then we'll discuss where we go further from there. I may not be with you through the whole entire process. If you got any questions, just shout them out, all right?
It's ridiculous. I'm just going down there. And no, violating the because they can't find anything else.
Well, ultimately, it'll be up to the officer to, document in his report why he believes you violated your order of protection. And
No, I'm stalking her. He was over there yelling and screaming what I was doing. I said, what the hell are you talking about? I didn't even know what he was talking about. I have to take several different medications.
okay, do you know what they're all called, or okay? Do you know what they're for?
My heart, most of my heart is on medication.
Okay. When was the last time you had your medication?
This morning,
Okay. How many times a day do you take it?
twice.
Once in the morning, once at night? Okay. What time this morning did you take it?
I took it at 7:45.
Okay.
I had a stroke about 14 years ago. So sometimes my memory, it's only get affected. So now we went from this past Wednesday, now it's down Jefferson Street, and I'm violating Jefferson Street. So I passed the street.
Is that what your court date's for tomorrow? Is for the order?
No, that's because my window was broken out of my car.
Mm-hmm.
For weeks, months, and his mom was at work. Mom trying to get out. So she didn't work. So I come up to then his sister gets mad because I told her, she can't go nowhere because I think she's a bad influence. And so she gets mad, tells her mother a bunch of stuff. And then her mom got mad because I told her mom was simply to back because you were letting me get smoke and break him 8 or 50. And that's one black guy, I think that was his last name, recently, for Harvard. She was accusing me. Police came and checked his room. She was never there. So always stopped me one night, and I said, "Why is that?" Back with it. And then we left us from our son's place. I told her when she came in again, and I happened to be there this time. And I pulled up when she was sitting there saying, "Mom's not there." I don't tell her. So I don't know. And I got there and checked. This man, she pulled up. And she said, "Fuck you." And then she followed me to a live seat, telling me everything in the book. Saying she had concealed carry. They can't get anything on me. You know, I told them when they found the drugs in my car, I says, "Hey, my window's been busted out," or that kid left it there. I says, "My window's been busted out." I said, "Anybody can come here." I said, "Every day I gotta repair it, put tape on it because it's wide open. I don't even lock the car no more."
I'm not gonna hit ya.
I said, "Take me down to the hospital and test me for every drug." Not gonna lie. And then take his mom. See how much weed he might purchase.
It's 23 Central. Alright, sir, go ahead and step on out. You go by Robert? Robert? Alright. You prefer Robert or Mr. Hernandez?
Robert.
Okay. Alright, Robert, I'll have you step towards me so I can close this door. Alright, we're gonna walk up to that steel door right there, okay? Don't run from me, I gotta grab your stuff.
Don't what?
Said don't run from me now, I gotta grab your stuff. I don't want to forget it, okay?
I don't run from anybody.
Alright. Right this way. Go ahead and stand up against the